Hi everyone, long time no see. I know I've been not around. I've been on YouTube, but I just haven't been making a presence. I happened to look at all the comments on the questions of my recovery and the Mobi-C implant. I had Mobi-C implant on July 14th, 2020. So we're like 1 year, 9 months out on my recovery. I can honestly say I'm glad I had this done. No more pain shoots down the arm, no more forearm pain, numbness in my fingers, thumb. The pain in my follow-up video that I said that my shoulder, I had an impingement, that is totally gone. It could have been just the recovery phase of the neck. The traps pain that you have after the surgery, that is gone. I have no more pain. After my surgery, I had the surgery in July. I was out kayaking in August. I was raking, mowing the lawn. I pushed myself for recovery. Not everyone is the same. Listen to your body, listen to your doctors. I'm a stubborn mule. I like to work. It's what I do. Now, recovery. If you're going to plan on having this surgery and you found my channel because you're researching, stop it. Don't panic. You'll be fine. Listen, like I said, your doctors know what they're doing. If you find a good doctor, they know what you're doing. My doctor, I am in New England, Google Sports Medicine North. My doctor, I will tell you now because whatever. Dr. Ozuna, godsend. He fixed me. I can't say no more about him. He's good. I don't want to make this too long-winded. I am better. The scar, it's there. It's small. It'll fade over more in time. I'm going to be 51 in August this year. So scars don't matter to me. I have more scars than I can balk at. Anyway, I'm going to stop this right now because I don't need to do a long-winded video. Unless you guys have more questions, comments, and I can address them, I'll pop back on. But until then, if you have a surgery coming up, don't panic. Just walk, mentally prepare, and stop looking at the videos of what they do to your neck. Anyway, stay safe, be well, and take care.